Yan, Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog guys, another great finds dito po sa Floridablanca, Pampanga. Grabe.
Yes, so napakaganda ng place, napaka-relaxing, at the same time, back to nature tayo.
Sulit na sulit ang drive nyo dito if you're coming from San Fernando, Angeles, Guagua,
Porac,
anywhere actually in Pampanga. When you go here, you're gonna feel relaxed. Of course, mabubusog ka sa mga pagkain.
Yes.
And at the same time, it's like going back to the nature, if I may say. I think that's the right word. So if you want to know more about this place, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So I think this is the perfect spot for me to, kumbaga, give you a tour of the place, no? Kasi parang nasa intersection tayo. So start tayo dito sa greenhouse nila. So they have a greenery here. Dito tinatanim yung mga, ingredients, arugula, mga cherry tomatoes and something like that, no? So very sustainable po yung business nila and yung restaurant nila, because the ingredients are actually planted dito po sa farm. And then this is a dining area. Ito yung dining area. So this is supposed to be a, kumbaga, rest house nila dati, and now they accept dining here. Okay, so dito naman sa right ko, guys, if you notice, so meron tayong lawn, no? This is perfect for, kumbaga, an intimate date. Ayan. You have your pugon. So the idea is you order here your pizza or anything, your bread, na, and then dito nila niluluto. And then this kitchen is where all the magic happens. When you're here, you're gonna be surrounded with different kinds of plants, herbs, fruit. So going back to the nature, ang hanap mo, you gotta try this out, guys. Rosemary and Thyme, Floridablanca.
Well, apart from Floridablanca being my hometown, it's also a way of adapting to the situation, di ba? Sabi nga nila, you really have to reinvent. Otherwise, walang mangyayari. So here, al fresco na siya. And I think mas marami kami may offer pagka sinet up din namin siya sa farm. That is actually an events place. Pero we only cater mga small lang talaga. Because you know naman the situation. So yun lang yung gusto namin talagang encourage na pwede naman kahit small events lang, you can still enjoy and have fun with your family and friends.
So once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. And again, Rosemary and Thyme, thank you so much po for inviting us. It's a sulit drive coming from San Fernando, Pampanga all the way here. Salamat dun sa tour natin kanina with Ma'am Zeng, no? Actually, para nga tayong na-reset, na-refresh. Right after, a busy schedule, you find a place like here, it's very rewarding, bro.
At the same time, maliban sa magandang place na makikita mo, nandito rin syempre yung mga masasarap na food.
Exactly, guys. So, kung ano yung na-enjoy natin sa San Fernando, the unlimited, the pizza, the pasta, available din pala dito.
Yes, and they are also unlimited.
Exactly. So, let's get into the meat of the details, guys. We won't gonna bore you long, syempre. Fun part is always the taste testing. So
on our table, syempre marami din tayong mga choices dito. So if you want an unlimited pasta and panitsa, so that is only for 195 pesos. Syempre naman, kung gusto niyo medyo madaming serving, so meron tayong unlimited salad, pasta, panitsa, chicken wings, and drinks. That is only for 395 pesos. And kung gusto naman mag-upgrade, instead na chicken wings into baby back ribs, that is 450 pesos.
Whoa.
And kung gusto niya naman na lahat meron, that is only for 595 pesos. And it is unlimited.
Unlimited, guys. Take note, that's unlimited. So we could have our dining experience sa labas, but since it's raining, napakaganda na they have this, function hall. Sabi nga ni Ma'am kanina, this is great for, a small event, very intimate occasion. Come to think of it, ganun na yung mga events ngayon. Very intimate.
Good for small capacity event. Siyempre, yung mga bisita nyo, kung gusto naman nila ng Mexican night,
Yeah.
that's only for
Wow.
399 pesos.
Mexican.
Meron ng paella
Yeah.
and other Mexican food.
Yan, available din yung mga wines nila dito. So you can have the experience, the dining, a little bit level up. Get into the details. Titikman natin ngayon. Unang-una is, of course, yung kanilang mga pasta. It's a signature dish ng Rosemary and Thyme sa San Fernando is yung kanilang mga pasta, guys. You gotta try out their pasta.
So what is good thing here, no? Kung titingnan mo, parang napaka-social, napaka-cozy, napaka-affordable.
Napaka-affordable, guys. Very sustainable yung restaurant.
Yes.
Because a lot of the ingredients here are really, planted dito mismo sa loob ng farm nila.
Nice. So napakasarap ng basil and tomato nila. So imagine, this is unlimited. You can eat all you can. So as much as you want.
Para sa akin, if it's your first time dito sa Floridablanca, the drive is gonna be a little bit tricky.
Yes.
Pero yun yung added suspense dun sa pagpunta nyo dito. I mean, you're gonna be driving in an unfamiliar place.
Yes.
Pero as soon as you arrive here, could this be the most romantic place in Florida?
Yes.
Could this be?
Possible. So baby back ribs naman.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is a ribs.
Malambot, malasa. Siguro kung ako yung tatanungin kung anong uulitin ko, itong ribs, promise.
Would really get excited dun sa mga salad nila. I mean, take a look at their salads. It's so colorful, fresh yung mga ingredients.
Siyempre, kung gusto nyo naman ng additional taste sa table nyo, meron din tayong mga dito yung mga local Wagyu steak.
It's about time for us Filipinos to really start patronizing yung mga local na Wagyu meat.
I've tasted the Japanese.
Oh, wow. So you get your, Wagyu steak, partnered it with wine. Cheers, brother. Cheers. Different taste, no? From the usual Rosemary and Thyme na pagkain. So they have come up with Mexican nights. Isa sa mga menu nila is this beef fajitas. So you have your pulled beef. You put it in a taco. Ayan.
Sige, Donna.
Again. Oh. Ayan. So wrap it up. Oh, wow. So a little bit, there's a sting of the chili. Walang-wala yung Filipino style or taste. It's really Mexican, authentic Mexican flavor, guys.
So let's try naman yung kanilang panitsa. Siyempre meron tayo dito yung panitsa natin and siyempre yung mga alpa-alpa natin. Ayan.
Put it directly dun sa...
So tikman natin itong kanilang pesto. Ang sarap ng pesto nila. At the same time, yung pinaka-panitsa nila, malambot.
Yes.
And yung kinuha nating herb kanina dun sa garden nila, lasang-lasa. Sarap!
So, additionally, dun sa Mexican nights nila, you also gotta try yung kanilang paella, of course. So, this one is seafood paella. Again, very colorful. So there you have it, guys. Again, thank you so much Rosemary and Thyme for inviting us dito po sa Floridablanca. We can't say enough, very sulit po yung drive dito.
Yes.
If you like the food you saw in this video, which we're gonna still enjoy later on, guys, give this video a like. If it helped you guys, make sure to share it or tag your friends. If you have your, hobby, yung significant other mo, make sure to tag that person kasi sigurado mag-enjoy siya dito.
And that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys. Stay safe.